Today, I'll show you how to create a hacker voice effect using Filmora's built-in voice changer.
This effect gives your voice a deep and mysterious tone, perfect for tech and spooky videos.
First, import your audio or record a voiceover directly in Filmora. If you're recording, just hit the record voiceover button in the audio tab and start speaking. Now, select your audio clip in the timeline and go to the audio tab at the top. Here, you'll find the voice changer option. Click on it, and under voice characters, you'll see multiple presets. Scroll down and choose hacker. Once selected, Filmora will automatically apply the effect, transforming your voice into a digital, tech-inspired hacker voice. Play your clip and listen to the effect. And that's it.
You've successfully created a hacker voice effect in Filmora. Use this for gaming videos, cinematic tech scenes, or fun hacker-style edits.
If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tricks.